Hello everyone, welcome to Java Codeplay. Today we are learning about what is programming language. Let me say what is programming language. Programming language is a tool for instructing the missions. Tool for instructing the mission. Let me say a real-time example for better understanding. If A person is there and B person is there, they want to communicate with each other. This person know English language and this person know English language, so they can communicate with each other and collaborate with each other. So in order to communicate with the computers like machines, we need programming language. So in order to communicate with the machines or computers, we need programming language. So computers understands only programming languages C, C++, Java. So we know only English. By using English or Telugu or Marathi or something language, we can communicate with person to person. In order to communicate with the person to person, we need English language, right? So in order to communicate with the machines, we need programming language. So it is a programming language. So we have several programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. So I hope you understood what is programming language. A programming language is a tool for instructing machines. So in order to communicate with machines, we use programming language. So it is called as programming language. So let me say what is Java. Java is a high level object oriented programming language. So it is developed by Sun Microsystem in 1995. It is mostly used for building desktop applications, web applications, Android applications, and enterprise systems. So Java is became very popular nowadays. So it is a high level language, right? So it is high level language and object oriented programming language. It is developed by author called James Gosling. So it follows the principle called write once, run anywhere. So write once, run anywhere means if we, suppose I am writing a hello world program. Hello world program I am writing in Windows operating system. So I am writing this hello world program in Windows operating systems, and I am running this application in Linux platform. So that is the concept. I am writing this code in a Windows platform, and I am running it in a, I can also run it in a Linux platform. So that is the concept, right? So we can write a code in a one platform, and we can also run anywhere in the sense we can run in any other operating systems like Linux or Mac OS or Windows. So that is the concept, right? So Java is became very popular, right? So let me say why Java is became very popular. Due to the features of Java, main features of Java, Java became very popular in market. Okay. So what are the features of Java? First one is object oriented programming and platform independence, robust and secure, multi-threading and concurrency, rich API and standard libraries, frameworks for enterprise and web development, open source libraries, maintainability and scalability. So what is first one? Object oriented programming. Object oriented program means it follows the O principle. What is mean by O principle? O principle in the sense Java follows O principles such as class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. So, due to these concepts, Java became very popular in market. So, why it is important means it makes code reusable and easy to maintain and easy to understand. So, Let me say a real-time example for object-oriented programming. Suppose I have a bank account, I am doing transactions, I am withdrawing money and I am depositing money in my bank account. So it is maintained the withdraw transaction and deposit transaction and my account transactions and account history. It is maintaining it securely. So how it is maintaining means due to the features like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. By using these features, my bank account is securely running. Okay, I hope you understand. Next one is platform independence. Platform independence in the sense I have explained, write once, run anywhere. This Vora, WORA, Vora, write once, run anywhere. Java code is compiled into bytecode. So bytecode runs on JVM of any operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac, OS. So what it is means some Java application is running on a Windows laptop. So I can also run it in a Linux server and also I can run it in a Mac operating system. So that is the concept, right? Vora means write once, run anywhere. So I am writing a Java application in one platform and I can also run in another platform. That is the concept of platform independence. So next one is robust and secure. What is mean by robust and secure means Java is strong and reliable. Why Java is strong and reliable means due to it is providing some features. What are those features like? It is maintaining automatic garbage collection and strong exception handling, and it has no pointer misuse and security manager and bytecode verification. Automatic garbage collection means it is maintaining high memory management, right? So it cannot at any cost it cannot misuse the storage, and due to the exception handling. So later we will discuss about the exception handling. Up to this, you remember strong exception handling. So I can explain real-time example online banking. So nowadays we are very fastly using payments like transactions, depositing money and pay transaction to others. So it is maintaining high securely, right? It prevents memory leaks and unauthorized access. So no one can access our phone pay or paytm, right? So due to this robust and secure concept, as we are using phone pay or paytm or any banking applications very securely, right? Okay, next one is multi-threading and concurrency. So Java supports multiple tasks executing at the same time. So let me explain this briefly. So it is multi-threading and concurrency. It is providing better performance. So better performance and efficient CPU usage. So as it is providing better performance and efficient CPU usage means our application is developed fastly. So let me say a real time example. Suppose we have video streaming app. We are editing videos and adding audios for videos and we are applying some effects, right? So nowadays it is very become very popular, right? So how Java is affecting, how Java is plays role in this part means so one thread will use one thread is for video editing, one thread is for audio editing, and one thread is for buffering. So for one thread is for video editing, one thread is for audio editing, and one thread is for buffering, right? So if we divide that task into subtasks, so it is become very easy to build an application, right? So it makes very it builds application very fastly. So that is the concept. It splits the task into subtasks and do the operations and whatever the operations need for that application, and it builds the application very fastly. And that is the concept, right? Efficient CPU management. It uses efficient CPU management, right? That is the concept, main concept of multi-threading. Okay, next come to rich API and standard libraries. Java provides a huge set of built-in APIs. Examples like java.language, java.util, java.io, java.sql. Java.language, it is for core features, right? And java.util, it is for collections. And java.io, it is for file handling. So java.sql, it is for database connectivity. So the real-time example for it is Java app with a MySQL database. So as we know that MySQL database connections, so later we will discuss it deeply. Okay, up to now you can remember, right? Java provides huge set of built-in APIs. Okay. Next one is frameworks for enterprise and development, web development application. So Java supports powerful frameworks like Spring, Spring Boot, Hibernate, JSF. And why it is important means if we write code in Spring Boot or Spring or Hibernate, it is faster development, right? And less code, faster development, and it is industry standard one. So let me say a real-time example for it. E-commerce websites and REST APIs and microservices. These are the real-time examples for the frameworks and enterprise web development. So next one is open source libraries. Open source libraries in the sense Java has thousands of open source libraries. So what are the benefits of these open source libraries means it is free to use. Suppose we are building an application, we need some built-in libraries, right? Java is providing that built-in libraries. It is for free access and community support and saves development time. So it is providing free libraries, right? So it saves our developing time. So the real-time examples for these are Apache Commons, Log4j, and JSON. Okay. Next one is maintainability and scalability. Maintainability and scalability. Java applications are easy to modify, easy to expand, and for large systems. So it is easy to maintain Java application, right? So suppose, let me say a real-time example. We know Flipkart, right? Flipkart or Amazon. Let me say Flipkart. Suppose we have a Flipkart right in our mobile. So we are using a Flipkart and it is a small thing, right? But behind that, it is using Java code. Due to this Java code, we are using it properly. It scales to millions users without rewriting code. Without rewriting the code, millions of users are using that platform, right? So it maintains highly and it is easy to modify, easy to expand for large systems, right? So I hope you understood the features of Java, object-oriented programming, platform independence, robust and secure, multi-threading and concurrency, REST API and standard libraries, frameworks, enterprise and web development, open source, libraries, maintainability and scalability. So let's move to an example. Let me say an example. Suppose I have written hello world Java program and it is saved with hello world.java. And my Java compiler is by using my Java compiler, I am using Java compiler, right? I am using Java compiler and I am running this hello world program in this and it creates a dot class file. it creates dot class file, and later the JVM converts our program into mission understandable code, that is bytecode. So as we have written in English, right? As we have written in a number format, like other English format, we are using that language, right? So but the machine doesn't know that number format and English, right? So in order to communicate with in order to run this application, we need bytecode, right? So the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, it converts the our Java code into bytecode. So the computer will understand the logic, and it will display the output like a hello world. Okay, I hope you understood well. Next one, uses of Java. Some of the applications developed using Java are Android apps, Netflix, LinkedIn, Amazon, Spotify, etc. So, as we know, Android apps and Netflix, nowadays we are very popularly using LinkedIn, Amazon, Spotify, etc. As we know how they are developed by using Java only. By using Java application only, they have built up. They are, if LinkedIn, Amazon, Spotify, they are working properly means behind that is Java, right? So next come to mobile development, web development, scientific applications, game development, big data technologies. These also using the Java. These also using Java. So by using Java programming language, these have developed mobile applications. Our today we are using mobile working properly, right? Mobile applications and web development applications, and scientifics also need to store data properly, right? Scientific applications, gaming development, and big data technologies. Okay, these are the main uses of Java, right? Okay, next one, the important concept in Java is JVM, JRE, JDK. What is mean by JVM, JRE, JDK? So JVM means Java Virtual Machine, and JRE means Java Runtime Environment, and JDK means Java Development Kit. The combination of JVM and JRE is Java Development Kit. So by using this diagram, what will you understand means JVM is a virtual machine. Java virtual machine means if we write a program, hello, suppose I am writing hello world program. That hello world program is converting into bytecode. How it is converting? By using JVM. JVM itself is converting the bytecode into machine understandable language. So I am running these hello world program, and I am running these in a runtime environment. JVM means runtime environment. I am running this application in a JVM, JRE, sorry, Java runtime environment. So I am running this platform, and I am running this application. So I am developing an application, right? By using some tools, we need to develop an application, right? So that is Java development kit. By using some tools and some other things, we are developing an application. So this is the concept. Java virtual means suppose I am writing a hello world program. That hello world program is converting into bytecode, that is done by JVM, and I am running that program by using runtime environment, Java runtime environment, and after running this, I am developing one application, right? So come to next slide. What is the main purpose of JVM, JRE, JDK? The main purpose of Java Virtual Machine is it executes Java bytecode. That is, it converts Java bytecode. That is, uh, it translates the human language to machine understandable language. The main purpose of is Java Virtual Machine is it converts the human understandable language to machine understandable language. So next one is JRE. Java runtime environment. It only runs on Java applications. JRE means it is a runtime environment. It is a runtime environment for any application. Suppose I am writing one application, right? Suppose I am building one application. So in this environment, I am running this application. That is the JRE. JDK means Java Development Kit. In order to develop or run Java applications, by in this JDK, we are developing applications and running application. That is under JDK. So hope you understood very well. These class will be good for you, and I hope you understood very well. Okay, thank you guys. We'll meet you with next class.